Alright, what's up guys? So today we got something nice in the bag here that I needed I should say. Got rear brake pads for the Rogue. The Akebono Pro Act ceramic rear brake pads. So here we go, we're gonna check these out, get a good look at them, and we're gonna install them on the vehicle today. Alright, so brake lube. Everything we need. Give me a second here. Was expecting I need an object, but give us in here. Alright. Give me a second here.
A few moments later.
So enough of the black screen, but there we go. We got, I think this is the back side piece, times 2. And then we got the other side. So yeah, there we go. Pretty good brake brand, so I decided to put these on the Rogue. I'm doing only the backs today, so the backs are the ones that need it the most. This is, but yeah, in the future we'll get the fronts and the rotor replacement. All right, well, gear up and I'll see you guys outside. All right, we're back out here. We're ready to rock and roll. We got our impact wrench with 21mm socket with a 17mm socket inside the car to get later. Got our standard issue factory jack with its tools. So what we're going to do is we're going to pry the hubcap off and then get the wheel off, and then after it's jacked up obviously, and then go from there. And after we get the wheel off, we're going to lube the pads and then install them. And we'll see you again in a second here. Alright, so now we've got the driver's side jacked up. So yeah. Let me actually lock that, so let me go. Now, that given said, that should be, there we go. So yeah, we're gonna undo that and then get to work here. So here we go. Got my impact gun, 21mm socket on there, and hopefully these aren't on too tight for this thing. It's cordless one, it's old, but we'll see. A little tighter than it should be, but let's not lose any of these, please. Alright. Oops. Yeah, I can't afford it. I did that. I'll strip the tires. The studs were good. Alright, so give me a second here. So we can get this off. There we go. Holy crap. Alright. So here we are. That is off. And you can see that's actually really, really low. A lot lower than I'm comfortable with admitting I let my brakes get that bad. But yep, we're gonna pop those off and then we'll lube up and install the new pads on this side and then move to the other side. So, see y'all in a second here. Alright, we back here now. I'm just gonna switch off my socket from my wrench here. Alright, let's get off of that there. Wait. Bear with me a second, guys. The bolt I want wants to stuck on to a thing here. There we go. Make sure that's the right one. That is definitely not 17. Alright, so on the 2016s, that's a 17. Okay, that back there is a 17. Which means this is like, what, 15? There we go. Alright, so correction. Okay. The bolt I need to remove is a 15 millimeter bolt. So that'll be that. Alright, there we go. Take that out. And this will literally pop open. Alright, where is it? There it is. So we're just going to shim those out there. Now make sure this little grommet right here doesn't fall off and get lost, because you're going to need that. Alright, so that said, I'm just going to put that down for a second. Normally you replace these as well, but my kit didn't come with a new one of those, so unfortunately I'm going to have to just reuse those. So yeah, give me a second here. Okay. Alright, so fitment works good. So now what we're going to do is going to use a little bit of the included Molly brake lube. Molly brake lube. I said Molly. I'm an idiot sometimes. And there. Now when you're applying the brake lube, you want to get on the edges there, right there, and a little bit on the back. You do not want to get it on the actual pad itself. That is very not good. I mean, it's easy to clean up if you do it, should you do it, but also really, really good practice just to try to not do it at all. Alright, so that's it. I'm just going to plop that in right there, like that. And there. There's one. we go. Just like that. Done. So we gotta push that in. Normally you get like a clamp to do that, but I'm an idiot, so there's that. There we go. That's pushed in a little bit, or enough. Rear brakes are on, or one side of the rear brakes are on. So now we put that back into there. You always want to, when you're doing sensitive parts like this, you want to hand tighten it as much as possible, and then go in with your wrench. And there you go. Side one is done. All right. All right, so there's my 21 and a 15. All right, give a second. We're just gonna put the wheel back on, and then we're gonna switch to the other side and repeat process. All right, so here we go. We're back, and we're gonna get this thing. So I actually took it off wrong because I'm an idiot. Again, I know I'm doing, but even I make mistakes. So what you do when you're bolting or unbolting the car tire or rim, wheel, whatever, you want to do it in a star pattern. So you want to ding, 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 ding. So we're gonna tighten them like that, and we're gonna. Rip your eardrums, I apologize in advance. Alright, so that's pretty solidly on. And we're just going to lower our jack and go to the other side and do the same thing. See you in a second. Alright, so here we are, round two. Getting the thing done. Alright, I know these bars are on. And then from time to time that'll happen. Which means these are torqued way too tight, so unfortunately I'm going to have to, take matters into my own hands, unfortunately. And I don't like doing this, and I don't recommend doing it, especially if you're on a jack. You want strip studs? That's how you get strip studs. That's also how you hurt yourself. TLDR, don't do this at home. Actually, you might not have a choice depending on the situation. Let's see if that helped you. There we go. you go. When in doubt, apply 180 pounds of torque. That was a terrible joke, and I wouldn't be surprised if you disliked this video for that. Alright, back to the 15 millimeter. Alright, here we go. Like I said, got the 15 millimeter on. Set to reverse. Done. Holy fucking crap. Let's push this. I should have grabbed a clamp loaner tool while I was at Pep Boys. But again, this is my first time doing this, so yeah, there's that. Alright, those are on. Liberal Lucas. Liberal apply the grease. Again, avoiding the pad surface because that's very bad. Right there. That one, and then so there we go. I'm all in the way. I did this to all 4 pads. And then we just slide it in properly. Want it done shit. There we go. And again, we're gonna look back there. Make sure that little grommet didn't go anywhere. And then we just put the bolt in, tighten it up a little bit, hand tighten, and then we hit that, and then we bam. And now we're ready to put the wheel back on. I'm on an incline on this side, so the wheel went a little higher on this side than it did on the other side. Because yes. Alright. Like I said, always good practice is to hand tighten and then go over with your impact wrench. Alright, now this done, we're gonna go put the right socket on here. And we're going to finish this job off. Alright. There we go. That is done. Now we lower it. That's done. I just put the hood cap back on. Bet you I can get to it where I don't have this thing on here anymore. And just get real rims. Alright, where's it? So it has to come like a hole. There's a hole like that. So that goes right there. And the rest of it just another trouble. Sorry about that. I don't know where that cut off because the phone overheated because it's actually pretty hot out here. If I show you my face, you'll see how bad I'm sweating and my shirt is like soaked. But yeah, that was it. Back brakes are done. These are my old brakes. They were pretty much worn down to the bare bottoms. And they were starting to squeal a little bit. Yeah. Never let your brakes get that slow. That is bad. That could have been dangerous. And I drive for a living, so I should know better. But yep, there you go. And now, before I get carried away and digress, the final job is take up a parking brake first, and then pump the brakes. That'll free the caliper I pushed in. Once it starts giving the resistance, then it's pretty much done. And there you go. Back brakes are done. In the future, I'm going to do the front brakes, and I'm going to do all four because I'm going to replace rear pads, front pads, and all four calipers. Alright, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. And see you in the next one.